Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about how can we create a video on AI. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you want to create a video for your YouTube channel and want that it's talk AI for you, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open any browser in your phone. So first of all you have to open any browser and just simply you have to search for an image for which you want to use for AI. I have already downloaded image. So if you want to download image, then you have to go to Lexica, and from here guys just simply you have to go to first link. Now from here guys you have to download an image. Okay guys, so let me tell you that here you have to put your email address. I have already done that. That's why it's not showing for me that I have to put the email address. So here you have to put your email address, and after that you can log in very easily, and here you have to search that image which you want to search. Okay guys, and tap on generate, and you can see your images here and you can download from here. So I have already downloaded image from here. So from here guys, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to search for did. Okay guys, so from here you have to tap on first link. So let me tell you that here you have to create your account. So I have already done that. So you have to put your email address, and after that you have to put your name, and the verification code will be sent to your email address, and there you have to verify your email. Okay guys, so let me tell you that if you want to create a video on your mobile phone, then you have to tap on three lines and select that desktop site. Okay guys, so it's not working for you if you don't select desktop site. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on create free AI videos. Tap on that. Now wait some second from here guys. Now as you can see guys, desktop site has been uploaded here. So let me show you here guys. I have already created a video. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to as you can see guys, I have already done that. So if you want to do it, then you can do this by following this way. Tap on create video. As you can see guys, it's showing here create video. Tap on that. Now as you can see guys, I have already selected a picture. If you want to add from your gallery, just simply tap on add. So you have to select that video which you have downloaded before. So as you can see guys, here is also some characters, so you can select from here, like I'm selecting this one. So as you can see guys, my picture has been selected. So you can also put the background from here guys, as you can see guys. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to select your language from here. Here is the language, so you can select your favorite language from here guys. Because I'm from Pakistan, that's why I'm going to select Pakistan Urdu. Here it is guys. Now after that, if you want to use male or female, then you can select from here guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to select here as female. Now after that guys, if you want to record your video, just simply you have to tap on this one, and if you want to script a video, just simply you have to type here your words. Okay guys, now I'm going to type here my words. Now after that guys, just simply you have to tap on create video. Here is create video option. Tap on that. Now your video has been generated. Just simply you have to tap on generate. Now as you can see guys, your video is being created from here. You can see here creating your video, so you have to wait some second from here guys. Now it's done from here guys, and here is video library. Tap on that. Now here is your video. Tap on that, and let me show you here guys. Hello main Wasim hai. Hello main Wasim hai. As you can see guys, if you want to download to your gallery, just simply have to tap on download. Now tap on download again. Now it's done. Let me show you here, guys. As you can see, guys.
Hello, main Wasim hai.
As you can see. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.